Good morning! The perfect day for a day in the mountains. It's not gonna happen. I've got work to do. So yeah, I think I can pick up red in a day or two. So I have some preparations to make. Over here I have a nice working space where things stay dry, but I have to clean it up, make it workable. Plus, this table had its best years. So my first job will be cleaning up, getting these stones out of the way so I don't break my neck, and make this table workable again. Let's do it!
Still wonder how, yeah, you will make it right. Maybe it's all chance, but either way, you showed me how.
I also spotted the workmate. How do these things work? Don't tell me I have to Google on this. Maybe Ken knows. For this, I have to press. That's one. That's two. Yeah. Now what? Oh boy. You have to be an engineer to understand this. No!
Welcome to the Ellis Flips comedy.
Comedy routine. That's one. Yay! I did it.
It's all
Oh, that's easy.
you show the way, yeah. 'Cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay.
Oh, come on. Well, that didn't work, so I'm afraid of grinders. I'm afraid Ken has to do it. I don't know why, but I'm so scared of power tools. Oh well, I'm gonna sand this baby. I have, is it hammerite? Something like that. That you can paint over rust and everything. It'll be nice. By the way, I didn't have a lot of olive oil from my olives. Not as much as the year before, the 2 years ago. It was explained to me that because of this extremely dry summer that we had, and then the late rain, and when it did rain, we got a ton of rain, and the olives just soaked up all the water real quick and never made it into oil. I could see it at the press. There was a ton of just water coming out. Unbelievable. So instead of say 35 kilos, I only had 31 kilos. Oh well, still plenty for us. But I always like to give away some, and that won't be as much as usual. I think this will work. It's not a designer object, so covered is enough.
Oh,
I guess that was that. Quite pleased with it. But that there has been sunbathing all the time. So I still have to come up with a nice walk for him. There's a little waterfall here that after rain starts running. Let's go there, see if it's running. Haven't been here for a long time, but I can hear the water. Timo loves it here. Magnificent trees here. Just look at that baby in the sun. Let's see what else. A little overgrown.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding fight. The roads that lay open are many, when the old ones gone under night. And I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to fall from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Nice or what? Come on, boy.
And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rest.
Good morning. Well, I'm set up. Ken is the boss of the woodwork around here, so he wants to do it. I'll help, and the table will be done today.
Tried so hard, stumbling and glad to see already saw. You're the one to blame for the fact that I can reach for.
Chicken shit piece of crap.
Well, that was the end of that. The drill don't work anymore, and we apparently don't have the right screws, so we're going to Daljan. Get what we need. A trip to Daljan, and lunch later, we're back. We have a new drill. Finally. That thing has been giving us a hard time for 3 years, I think. Enough's enough. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth. That's better.
It's all good when you show the way, yeah.
Really, it's always something here. We bought that length, a bundle, and we bought 3 bundles of this length. And you know what? These, the tongs, do not fit in the long ones. So Ken got one last bundle out. Does it fit?
I bet I can get it to fit.
Unbelievable. You buy different lengths and different thicknesses in tongue and groove. You have to honestly check everything here. We might be lucky. To make it work, I'm gonna have some coffee. Coffee too, darling?
Please.
Hey, Timo. What did you do today? Huh?
Cold, I know it's all good. With that, found the best of
Last piece is in. First job of the new year done. Still don't know if red will be finished in time. So maybe I've hurried this for nothing. Ta-da! And then we had a table. Yay! Gosh, that'll work nicely. I'm gonna clean up this mess, walk Timo, get us something to eat, and then the day's over. Not your normal video, but I hope you liked it. Next week I hope to be working on red. See you then.